Everyone, good morning. Welcome to Boomi Product Video Series. Today in this video, I would like to demonstrate on the configuration for the MLLP server operation with route by route key. MLLP server operation is basically used to configure inbound MLLP settings for the communication with a specific trading partner. The trading partner should provide all this necessary information to configure within the Boomi process. The operation supports only listen action. It means it is designed to receive the data from the trading partner rather than send it. Let me configure MLLP server operation within the Boomi process. For that, I have selected MLLP server for the connector, and then action should be listen, uh, which is the only option available. Uh, and then to create a MLLP server operation, just we need to click on the plus icon beside to operation, and then name it for this operation as we like, and then we can see MLLP info, archiving, or tracking are the tabs available for this MLLP server operation. Under the MLLP info, this is the main MLLP information we need to configure for the MLLP settings. And for the connector action, the action should be listen, which we selected during at the connector level, which we cannot modify. And and uh, and route by uh, use this option. Uh, this is the only option. Uh, Based on this, the routing can be determined, and for the inbound documents, and the listener process gets triggered based on the configuration we mentioned here. If the trading partner in inbound document matches this configuration. So available options for this route by is data identifiers and route key. So I can cover in this video a route key option only. So once we selected, so I have selected a route key here. Once we selected, the corresponding options visible here, route key and users section. So the route key here, we need to enter the value associated with one or more ports in the Boomi runtime where this process will be deployed. This routing key should be configured in the MLLP server settings panel. So test route key 1 is the one I have already configured at this MLLP server settings level. So I have taken this one for the route key. So based on this route key, once it is matches for the inbound EDI documents, then this listener process gets triggered, and then under the user sections, we need to configure the uh, you we need to configure the users with a username and optional SSL certificate here. This is for authentication. So new use. So this is the username I have given, and the certificate, client certificate, that has to be selected here. So this is particularly useful if we are using SSL client certificate for the authentication. And then optionally we can see auto acknowledge log messages under the option sections. This can be configured with this available checkboxes. So auto acknowledge, which is used to determine whether the MLLP server will automatically acknowledge the uh, received documents. For X12, acknowledgement TA1 segment is generated if sender is requested. For HL7, accept ACK message is generated when sender is requested for the acknowledgement. So this is how we need to configure for the MLLP info tab. And then we can see other tabs like archiving, tracking, as like other connectors. So we need to configure as like other connectors for the archiving and tracking. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.